I'm Dr. Dean Wright. I'm a doctor of chiropractic here at South Point Physical Rehab. I specialize in chiropractic care, physical rehab, functional movement, biomechanical analysis, and soft tissue therapies. All right, so this is the cervical adjustment. We use a high velocity, low amplitude technique. And what we're trying to do is open up those joint spaces in the neck. A lot of times headaches, tension headaches, can originate in the upper cervical spine. So after an exam and a full history, there's certain contraindications, spinal fusions or spinal instability, those things we want to be careful of. So I don't do this on every patient. It really depends on the patient history. So what I like to do is I like to start by doing some pin and stretch techniques for the muscle tissue, pinning the muscle down and then stretching it through its active range of motion. And this really helps to kind of loosen up the area, and it makes the adjustment easier and hold better. So anything from tension headaches to neck pain to maybe abnormal neck posture, this can benefit you greatly. Right now I'm focusing on the suboccipital group. So this manipulation is real light. So we move the head to lock out the joints, and then it's just a light rotation. And that's all that we're putting into that joint space.